Hello everyone, welcome to Crack video series. In this video, we are going to discuss static GK, inventions and discoveries, questions for SSC CGL, CHSL and MTS 2022. The video is part of our GK video series for the SSC CGL, CHSL and MTS exams. As we know, SSC CGL Tier 1 exam date is out, that is 11th April till 21st April, and SSC CHSL exam date is also out, that is 24th May till 10th June. You can find out the previous year papers for SSC CGL and CHSL on our website, that is cracku.in. We are providing one free mock for SSC CGL and CHSL both, and we are having 15 SSC CGL latest pattern mocks for rupees 149 and 15 SSC CHSL latest pattern mocks 149. The link of the resources are mentioned in the description. You can check them out there. Let's start with today's session. Dishwasher was invented by dash. The correct answer is C, that is Josephine Cochrane. So the first working automatic dishwasher was invented in 1889, and this machine was featured a wooden tub that include a wire basket, and dishes were placed inside the basket and rollers rotated the dishes. Who discovered Pluto? The correct answer is D, that is Clyde Tombaugh. So when Clyde Tombaugh built his first telescope at the age of 20, he could not have known it was setting him forward on a path that would eventually, when Clyde Tombaugh built his first telescope at the age of 20, he could not have known it was setting him forward on a path of eventually lead to the discovery of the first known planet, that is Pluto. Who invented PlayStation? The correct answer is D, that is Ken Kutaragi. So PlayStation was the brainchild of Ken Kutaragi, and a Sony executive who managed one of the company's hardware engineering division and was later dubbed the father of the PlayStation. Who was the first Indian astronomer to calculate the time taken by Earth to orbit the Sun? The correct answer is C, that is Bhaskaracharya. He was born in Bijapur, Karnataka. Who invented JavaScript, the programming language? The correct answer is A, that is Brendan Eich. So Brendan Eich is an American computer programmer and technology executive, and he created the JavaScript programming language and co-founded the Mozilla project, the Mozilla Foundation and the Mozilla Corporation. Which of the following scientists has discovered ozone gas? The correct answer is Christian Friedrich Schönbein. So the ozone is a naturally occurring substance which was first made in the laboratory in 1839 by German scientist, that is Christian Friedrich Schönbein. And Schönbein was interested in discovering the origin of the odor produced by certain chemical and electrical processes. Which of the following branches of mathematics was invented by Newton? The correct answer is A, that is calculus. Over 2 miraculous years, the great time of the Great Plague, the young Newton developed a new theory of light, discovered and quantified gravitation, and pioneered a revolutionary new approach to mathematics, infinitesimal calculus. Rudolf Diesel was the inventor of the diesel engine. He belongs to which country? The correct answer is C, that is Germany. So Rudolf Christian Karl Diesel. He was born in 1858, and he was the thermal engineer who invented the internal combustion engine that bears his name. Which of the following is not correctly paired? The correct answer is D, that is radio. So radio is invented by G. Marconi. He is the person who first developed the radio or wireless telegraph in 1890s, and his idea took place in 1895 when he sent a wireless Morse code message to a source more than a kilometer away. Who discovered electromagnetism? The correct answer is B, that is Hans Christian Ørsted. He was a Danish physicist and chemist who discovered that electric currents create magnetic field, which was the first connection found between electricity and magnetism. Who discovered ribosomes in cell biology? The correct answer is D, that is George Emil Palade. So ribosome is a complex molecule made of ribosomal RNA molecules and protein that form a factory for protein synthesis in cells. Who invented the typewriter in 1829? The correct answer is D, that is William Austin Burt. So the first model mentioned in the film, the typographer, patented by William Austin Burt in 1829. That was America's first typewriter. Who is known for the discovery of the circulation of blood in a human body? The correct answer is D, that is William Harvey. So he was the first known physician to describe completely and in detail the synthetic circulation and the properties of blood being pumped to the brain and rest of the bodies by the heart. The existence of neutrons in the nucleus of an atom was discovered by which of the following scientists? The correct answer is B, that is James Chadwick. The mass of the atom was located in a nucleus at its center, and that the central core contained protons. And in May 1932, James Chadwick announced that the core also contained a new uncharged particle which is called the neutrons. The name of American inventor who is known as father of refrigeration is, the correct answer is C, John Barber. So 6th May 1851, the US granted patent number 8080 for the artificial production of ice. The recipient was John Barber, a Florida physician. The first commercial civilian aircraft developed by India is, the correct answer is D, that is Saras. So NAL Saras is the first Indian multi-purpose civilian aircraft in the light transport aircraft category as designed by National Aerospace Laboratory. Who invented the centigrade scale? The correct answer is A, that is Anders Celsius. So Anders Celsius, regarded as the founder of Swedish astronomy. It is best remembered as the inventor of the Celsius temperature. He is best remembered as the inventor of the Celsius temperature scale, in which 0 degree is the freezing point of water and 100 degree is the boiling point. So 0 degree Celsius is the freezing point and 100 degree Celsius is the boiling point. The first solar cell was invented in 1883 by, the correct answer is C, that is Charles Frick. He was the American inventor and he made the first solar cell from selenium. Who is known as the father of geometry? The correct answer is B, that is Euclid. So Euclid of Alexandria, to distinguish him from the Euclid of Megara, was a Greek mathematician often referred to as the founder of geometry, or we can say the father of geometry. He was active in Alexander during the reign of Ptolemy. Who invented the lightning rod in 1749. The correct answer is A, that is Benjamin Franklin. So Franklin began to think about protecting people, buildings and other structures from lightning, and this grew into his idea for the lightning rod. And Franklin described an iron rod about 8 or 10 feet long that was sharpened to a point at the end. Indus Valley civilization was discovered in, the correct answer is D, that is 1921. So the civilization was first identified in 1921 at Harappa in the Punjab region, and then in 1922 at Mohenjo-daro near the Indus River in Sindh region. Both sites are in present day Pakistan in Punjab and Sindh provinces respectively. Indian born Shiva Ayyadurai is associated with the invention of, the correct answer is A, that is email. So Ayyadurai is notable for his widely disputed claim of being the inventor of email, and his claim is based on a electronic mail software called email, an implementation of inter-office email system which he wrote as a 14-year-old student at Livingston High School. Narinder Singh Kapani invented first fiber optical cable in, the correct answer is B, that is 1952. So Narinder Singh Kapani was an Indian American physicist best known for his work on fiber optics, and he is credited with inventing fiber optics and is considered the father of fiber optics. An Indian team of scientists led by Dash of Physical Research Laboratory, that is PRL, have discovered a sub-Saturn or super Neptune sized planet around a sun-like star. The correct answer is A, that is Professor Abhijit Chakraborty. So the scientist team led by Professor Abhijit Chakraborty of Physical Research and Laboratory, Ahmedabad, and the planet goes around the star in about 19.5 days. A study by Geetanjali Katlam and Soumya Prasad from Jawaharlal Nehru University, Mohit Agarwal from Asian Adventures and Raman Kumar from Nature Science Initiative examined the relationship between Dash, which was published in the journal Current Science. The correct answer is C, that is animal type and behavior vis-a-vis the risk of plastic ingestions. So Current Science is a multidisciplinary journal and therefore research and review papers of general significance that are written clearly and well organized. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.